What's up, everybody? I'm Justin Aker with the Aker Group Real Estate Team. Today we're filming another episode of Play Out Denver. We're in Littleton, Colorado, and we are at the famous Ken Caryl Sledding Hill in Littleton. We're gonna shred this hill so hard today, you're not gonna wanna miss it. And then when we're done shredding, we're headed to downtown Littleton to go show you some cool mom and pop small business, a couple of cool restaurants with rooftop decks, and we're gonna show you around a little bit.
What is up, everybody? I am Travis Poland, and yes, we're having an absolute blast here at the Ken Caryl Sledding Hill. It's an amazing place to be. The scenery is absolutely amazing. It's a great place to get some exercise. And another thing, I grew up just like a mile away. This place is absolutely amazing. It reminds me so much of my childhood, and we had so many amazing memories. And you can do the same, just like these clowns goofing around. Come and make some memories. Great place to be.
Hey guys, we just left the sledding hill and now we are on Main Street in downtown Littleton, where you can find the most charming spots, including Savory and Spice, which is a little spice shop, EVOO, which is where you can get oils and all these amazing things. There's lights that adorn the streets. It's just a great place to come during the winter or at any time, really. So come check it out.
Alright guys, I'm Brenton Haynes. We are just wrapping up our sledding for today. We are in downtown Littleton. We are at the View House, and I want to thank you so much for joining us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see our fresh content. And if you need any real estate needs, be sure to give us a call.